normally plays as a stopper into a holding midfield role. Now, what this means is that Jonas Berta and Haptamu Shewalen will be able to take care of Tafase Solomon and Emmanuel Yohannes, while Biharu Teshagel will be able to take care of Abinet Demisie, meaning that they have completely neutralized the ball players in the Ethiopia Buna side.
It's a very unattractive game, and it's in the back of the net. Oh, Jonathan Shita, 14 seconds on the clock, and Wolkite have the lead against Ethiopian Buna. Surprise, surprise. I hope you are taking your seat already. Kabede actually looks to have lost his footing at some point, but free kick has been given. Sketane Kabede! It's in! Goal number 10 of the campaign for the Wolkite captain. And in the opening 20 minutes, Ethiopian Buna are 2-0 down.
Tunji is also staying far wide.
Oh, good ball onside. This is Getane Kabede. Could this be the moment? Yes, it will! 35 minutes on the clock, and Getane Kabede has scored twice. Wolkite 3-1 up. Talk about beating the offside trap. And Getane Kabede has done it simply. 3 goals for Bubeka. Goes past one, looking to beat the second. It's got support of them, haven't they? Because they travel in numbers as well to support Buna. Bubeka. Short one, looking for Abubeka. Hasn't had so many touches yet. Seems to be man marked out of this game.
When he opens himself up, only to award a penalty.
Nasir up against Robert Odonkara. Here comes the one that he quite footed. Scores. 10 goals. 19 to go. If last season's record is anything to go by, now Ethiopian Buna have some hope.
But it's a lifeline. It's really a lifeline. But look at the composure of Abubakar Nasir. And he ensures that
Surely means it would have been very, very soft. Abubeka not have good physicality to it as well. So Abubeka picks this one. He only has one pass on to make. Abubeka! Across goal. Looking for William Solomon. It's just a few inches left. A small man. Otherwise, it easily could have been 3-2.
well, you wonder whether there is a chip in this ball that is also attached to the cleats of Abubakar Nasir, because once he gets to that box, it's very, very, very difficult to dispossessing the ball.
Abubeka, good ball now. Yabi Kalferecha! It's in! 3-2. 77 minutes on the clock. And we've got a game on our hands now.
And these quick, intricate passes, that's when you expect that the defense from Wolkite is going to be more tighter. But again, he looks at the goalkeeper. He's covering the
At the edge of the box, takes a shorter one, looking for Abubeka! And another big chance again, Abubeka, second bite on the cherry. Could this be the moment? Oh, goes wide.
Well, you don't need spectators in the defense. You need to put pressure. You need to identify. You need to be able to mark. But at this particular time, the team in blue pink,
Wolkite were looking for a quick reaction. But now it's Buna with Abubeka. Could this be the equalizer? Abubeka!
with 29 goals. Just when you expected that Ethiopia Buna was dead, a pass down from deep midfield, again from Tafese Solomon. He finds his prime partner.
That is very dangerous, and he's got enough experience to know how dangerous that is, Robert Odonkara. This is Emmanuel to Abubeka. Now Asrat Tunja! man until the final whistle.